Okay, welcome back. There is, 14 minutes to go for the pre-open session. So let's bring in Anuj with how he's looking at things and the things he's watching. You know, yesterday Anuj was pointing out the rise in these almost penny stocks, but not penny anymore. And I don't mean that in any derogatory way, but the rise in some of these names has been interesting to watch. But Anuj, what's on your radar today?
Morning, Prashant. Thanks. Well, first of all, to all our viewers, happy Raksha Bandhan. And I mean, if you have a sister, then you know you are the luckiest person in the world. And to all the sisters, happy Raksha Bandhan. And it's really a big festival for me personally and for all of us. So greetings on that. It's been a festive season, of course, for all of us here. Coming to the market, I think it's going to test some big levels today. It's, of course, the Nifty that is going to test the falling 20-day moving average of 19,452. The Bank Nifty is already above the 20-day moving average. It's going to test the 50-day moving average from where it reversed, by the way, last time. So that's important. My sense is Nifty IT is the strongest index. And given what's happened overnight, that is one index to track. And it's headed towards its 52-week highs, how things have changed. That's the strongest index in the market right now. And even the mid-cap and small-cap, while we keep talking about the fact that it's getting a bit euphoric, but there's a good chance that today you hit all-time high for both mid-caps and small-cap. One big risk for the market from here, though, would be populism. Like we've just heard about this move on LPG. Now, you may argue it may not percolate down to petrol and diesel, but you never know. And going forward, I think that's a bit of a risk for the market. So overnight, the way dollar and bond yield have tumbled, that's good news for the emerging market. The US economy is cooling, which means the September hike should not happen. There would be pause in September, and that's good news. My sense is today you'll have a field day for IT stocks. They're going to lead the market today. And large cap, mid cap, whichever IT stock you pick, there's a good chance that today you would see a big rally in these stocks. Coming to the Nifty's outlook, today's trade is about seeing whether the gap up sustains or not, especially around the 20-day moving average, because there's no trade after the big gap up. There's a resistance at 19,430, which is options based, and bigger resistance is 19,452, the 20-day moving average. If it sustains above 19,452, then I think you can see some short covering. Otherwise, maybe some decline. But Nifty today is likely to outperform Bank Nifty because of the IT factor. That's my base case today.
Okay, Anuj, happy Raksha Bandhan to you as well. Your sister is definitely lucky. She has 3 brothers, right?
Absolutely. So we are the 3 luckiest brothers. So, I would say this. And, I believe in changing the tradition. This Raksha Bandhan tradition is that the sister ties Rakhi and says that, my brothers will protect me. I can tell you, my sister has protected me. She's younger than me, but she is my closest friend. She's really been there for me when I needed her the most. And, I mean, she has protected me. I have not done anything to protect her.
Even Prashant wants to change the tradition because he wants the gift rather than the other way around.
I told you, Sonia. I told you.
Very progressive of you, by the way. Well, happy Raksha Bandhan to everyone celebrating. Thanks, Anuj, for joining in.